How to check the performance and the statistics as well as temperature of your graphics card in Windows 11. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can quickly and easily check the statistics of your graphics card in Windows 11. So in order to start, the first thing that you can do is simply go to the task manager. So you can either press the Ctrl, Shift and Escape shortcut key, or you can simply go to the search bar and search for task manager. Now simply click onto this task manager and you can see this is the task manager right here. Now from here, click onto the performance, and within the performance you can see both of your GPUs. Since in my case I have a dedicated GPU which is the RTX 3050 right here, and an integrated AMD Radeon GPU which is right here. So if you want to check for the stats of any of them, simply click onto them, and currently you can see that my dedicated GPU is slipping, and also here are its statistics like the utilization, the GPU memory, the temperature, which is the current temperature of the GPU, and also the dedicated GPU memory and the shared GPU memory as well. Apart from here, you also get the driver version, driver date, and the DirectX version and physical location, and the hardware reserved memory as well. Now, similarly, for the internal or the integrated GPU, you can also see its 3D and the other usage components right here. Also the GPU memory and the shared GPU memory along with its temperature and the similar details that we saw before. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.